fireworks show over the ocean? Yeah, that's a must-see.
Hey adventurers!
Welcome back. Okay, this was a big weekend for us.
Huge. We're talking drones, lasers, a rainbow, a moving day, and a 250th birthday party for the entire country.
And not one, but 2 fireworks shows.
2 in one holiday weekend.
So, if you're new here, we're Adam and Lacey. We travel full-time with our girls and we document the whole crazy adventure right here every week.
If that sounds like your kind of thing, hit subscribe and tap that bell because you do not want to miss what's coming up.
And hey, drop a comment and tell us how you spent the 4th this year. We would love to hear it.
Also, stick around because at breakfast this weekend, something happened that none of us saw coming, and it involves my watch of all things.
It's kind of a small thing, but it might just be my favorite moment of the whole trip.
We'll get there.
Before we jump in, if you've ever wanted a little help planning your next adventure, we got you.
We put together some of our favorite travel tips, behind-the-scene updates, and planning tools all in one place.
And there's a travel assistant in there too that'll help you map out your next trip based on what you actually want to do.
It's all free. It's all linked in the description below.
Go check it out. Seriously, it'll save you so much time.
We kicked off the holiday weekend early, on Friday, with a trip over to SeaWorld for their big firework and drone show.
And on the drive over, it actually rained, like really came down. And then, right as we pulled in, it just stopped. And this massive rainbow showed up.
The camera generally doesn't do it justice. It was so much prettier in person.
It felt like the sky was welcoming us to the holiday weekend.
As soon as we got to the amphitheater, they had a DJ play music and keeping everyone entertained while we were waiting for the show to start.
And they actually let people go down onto the stage and dance.
Our girls were not shy about that one. They were right down there having a blast.
And there were these other performers with giant glowing sea creatures strapped to their shoulders, like fish and stuff, dancing around through the crowd.
So cool looking. Such a fun, unexpected touch before the show even started.
But none of that compared to what happened when the actual show started.
The show itself was amazing. We're talking drones, fountains, lasers, and fireworks, all going at the same time.
It was a lot in the best way.
Absolutely awesome. Great way to kick off the weekend.
We got home pretty late that night and then had to get up early the next morning because, surprise, it's moving day.
On the 4th of July, no less. No rest for the Adventurepreneurs.
We packed up from the Blue Tree Resort and headed to one of our absolute faves, the Sheraton Vistana Resort Villas at Lake Buena Vista.
This resort is honestly beautiful. Gorgeous lakes scattered all throughout the property, multiple pools, and tons of amenities.
If you've been following us for a while, you know this one is one of our faves. And every time we come back, we remember why. This place is amazing.
While we were waiting to check in, we grabbed some food in this cute little cafe called Eggs Up Grill.
The food was so good.
Okay, here's the moment I teased earlier.
The girls ordered drinks, and they ended up matching the colors of their skizoo bags, completely by accident.
They had no idea until the drink showed up at the table.
So cute.
And then, I don't even know how this happened, but my drink matched my watch.
What are the odds?
I have no explanation. The Eggs Up Grill matching magic got all of us that day.
Chargers built into them. little
Turn it
empty
this
pods.
or this?
Oh, so it can hold your drinks. The table also has a charging port. And the kitchen desk has a charging port. After we checked in and got settled at the Sheraton, we headed out to St. Pete's Pier in St. Petersburg for their huge 250th celebration.
The whole pier was decked out. Live bands playing all day, food trucks everywhere, booths, entertainment. It was a full-on event.
One of our favorite parts was watching the water skiers out on the bay, doing all kinds of crazy tricks. So fun to watch.
We ended up spending most of the time on the beach right next to the pier. It was crowded, but honestly, so much fun.
The girls basically lived in the water all day.
What's your pronouns?
USA.
Atta girl. And at some point, we even got a visit from Captain America himself.
Super patriotic, very on theme.
But as the sun started going down, something started happening on that beach.
Yeah, as the day went on, the beach just kept getting more and more packed. Everyone was showing up for the fireworks.
And honestly, can't blame them. A fireworks show over the ocean is a must-see.
There were boats everywhere out on the water, and the beach was completely full. Everyone just waiting.
And then it started, and it did not disappoint.
Watching those colors light up in the sky and reflect on the water at the same time, I mean, we showed you the clip at the start of this video. It was exactly as beautiful as it looked.
Absolutely spectacular. Best way to end the weekend. What does the 4th of July look like when you're chasing it around the country?
Sometimes it looks like a rainbow after the rain, right when you need a good sign.
Sometimes it's dancing on a stage you didn't expect to be invited onto.
Sometimes it's a drink that just happens to match your daughter's bag, and somehow your husband's watch too.
Sometimes it's packing up one resort and falling in love with another all before lunch.
And sometimes it's a crowded beach, salt water, water skiers, and a superhero stopping by just to say hi.
But mostly it's fireworks over the water, reflecting twice as bright, surrounded by people you love.
However you spent it this year, we hope you took a second to enjoy the simple stuff. That's what it's really all about.
So that was our 4th of July. SeaWorld, a rainbow, a move-in day, matching drinks, and 2 absolutely incredible fireworks shows.
Honestly, one of our favorite holiday weekends yet.
If you enjoyed this one, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what we've got coming up next.
And don't forget, the travel assistant and all our planning tools are linked in the description if you want help mapping out your next trip.
And we want to know, what's your favorite 4th of July tradition? Drop it in the comments below.
We read every single one. Adventurepreneurs out.